Hey, this is Bill and Greg from Calderwood Percussion. Another weekly shop update. So, a few things. First of all, if you follow us on Instagram, you may have noticed that we're giving away a drum, specifically that drum. If you do not follow us on Instagram, if you would like to win this drum, following us on Instagram is part of how you do that. So, go to our Instagram page, find one of the Win This Drum posts that we did with a photo of this drum, and like and repost it. Make sure that you follow us, and in the comments on that photo, tag a drummer friend of yours, or a not drummer friend, we don't care. Tag somebody. On September 1st, we will gather up all of the entries that we've received through all the various Win This Drum posts that we've put up, and we will choose a winner at random, and then this drum will be yours. What's next? Westbrook. Okay, so on Saturday is the Westbrook Muster. If you're going there, please come say hi. We'll have a booth set up with a bunch of cool stuff, and we'd love to talk to you. One of the things we've been really kind of cranking to get ready for is a bunch of people brought us stuff at Deep River, and even before then, that they would like to have repaired. And so we're really trying to get a bunch of those repairs ready so we can just hand them right off to people when we see them at Westbrook. Including this 18 by 18 Eames drum that I think was made in 1970. We put new hoops on this, new bearing edges, replaced the rope, fixed the ears, did a whole bunch of stuff. And then this is Calderwood drums, drum number 20. We made this a long time ago and sold it a couple years ago at Westbrook actually. And it came home for some repairs. The strainer needed some work and a little help with the electronics and a few other things, but now it is all fixed up and ready to go. So yeah, that can be returned to its owner at Westbrook. Same with this, and hopefully a few more. Anyway, if you're into rudimental drumming, if you're not part of the fife and drum scene, you should check out the Westbrook Muster this weekend. It's Saturday in Westbrook, Connecticut. Super easy to find online. It'll be lots of fun. Greg, unfortunately, has to leave us to go back to school. Where are you going to school?
Ithaca College, School of Music out there.
Cool. To study percussion to become a much better drummer than me. Wait, he's already a much better drummer. All right, well, better still. Anyway, so thanks for all the hard work. It's been a huge help. And I'm sure that is not the last that you or I will see of this dude. Oh, there's something else. Oh, yeah, this. Ain't that some shit? If you've been following along at all, then you already know Ottawa University in Kansas hit us up a while ago and was like, hey, you know those giant bass drums that like Purdue University and a few other schools have? We want one of those. And I was like, man, I thought you'd never ask. So this is our basso profundo in progress, so they can use out on the marching band field, and I suppose if they ever play the Verdi Requiem, it'll be pretty great for that. Yeah, so far so good on this thing. It's 3 feet deep by 7.5 feet in diameter. I genuinely have no idea what it's going to sound like, but I'm expecting it's going to sound big and loud. So we've been filming this to do like a time-lapse video of its creation and taking a lot of pictures along the way. So keep an eye on our Facebook and Instagram. We'll post more pictures and other entertaining stuff of this drum and or hot tub that we're building. So anyway, that's basically it for this week. We got to get back to work, but check out our Instagram so you can win this drum. Hopefully we'll see you at the Westbrook Ancient Muster. Just Westbrook Muster? I don't know. Look it up. Anyway, thank you. We'll catch you next time.